Run off him.
Oh,
Run off! Left to right! His hands are up!
Got two, 11 o'clock.
Running on the right! Running on the right! Right side, two runners! One in the middle! Three far left, two on that. Three. See them?
hit, sir.
I'm going to go and drop this to Rob and we'll grab mine.
Right.
Yeah. Spin it.
Yeah, I did. I don't know if to go back a bit further and let him come up or try and fight him off here.
Well, we need to try and stop them from getting across that road, really, don't we?
I reckon cut off here then.
Yeah.
What should we do? Stay here or go back behind the village and try and defend? We could hold them up here as long as possible. I suppose it's better, isn't it? For us.
Yeah. Have we all been hit once now?
I have.
yeah.
Yeah, I reckon defend from here, then move back as and when we need to.
Why don't we stay on these last ones then? These last ones, then we can quickly move back.
Yeah, yeah. Right.